This is a great question. So essentially the question is, how much context do you need to give your readers for the AP Lang exam argument essay? So here's the thing, readers are not supposed to infer. So you cannot assume that they know, even if something is really common knowledge. So even if you're referencing someone that you feel is super famous, like George Washington or Rosa Parks, or maybe even Simone Biles, you want to make sure that you are providing appropriate context because that will also help your line of reasoning. So give the relevant facts that the person needs to know, the relevant context in order to understand your evidence. Now, if it's something that you know your reader is probably not going to be familiar with because it's super niche, then obviously the same advice would apply. Make sure that it makes sense to someone who doesn't know. One of the things to consider is essentially appositive phrases or non-restrictive clauses. This is when you put the extra info between either commas or dashes. This can be a great way to sneak in extra information to kind of bolster your evidence without making it like too oversaturated with what you think are like the basics.